Congratulations, you just got yourself the itel Super 26 Ultra and you want to know how to customize this case. Let me show you how to do that. First thing first, you need to go to your phone and scan the QR code at the back of this pouch. How do you do that? Go to the quick access and select the scanned icon. When you select that, grant your permission if it asks you. Now align it and you are going to see the web page here. Select that link. Select continue and let it download the app on your smartphone. After it has successfully downloaded, select open and grant permission if it asks you from your Chrome and install. As you can see, it says install. Select agree and put your smartphone back into the charging case, because without it being on the charging case, it's not going to work. So make sure you put it back like this and select open. Now agree to the user service agreement and privacy policy. Select agree and continue. Allow RMS to take pictures and record videos. Select while using the app. Select allow all. And as you can see, this is the itel default display. So we are going to change it. Make sure you have pictures on your smartphone, or you can take a new picture you want to put. Now select create. And it's going to take you to your gallery. What you have to do here is to now select any picture of your choice. So I'm going to select Dembele's picture. And if you want to scale, you can scale in or out anyhow you want it. And if you want it to be big, if you want it to be small, you can shrink and you can enlarge as you want. So I'm going to put it this way. I think it's okay like this, and select the tick icon and select project. And you have to wait for it a little. As you can see, it's projecting. Projection in progress. Please do not turn off the screen or exit the page. Just wait for it for some seconds and it's going to upload it to the back of your screen. As you can see, it is coming up. Wait for it. It's almost there. And there you go. As you can see, it is now displayed on the back of our phone. So that is how to put it. If you want to put your picture, you can also use your picture. And that is how to set it. Thank you.